Hey, how you doing? It's Jeff with BBQPlus. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about what I'm cooking up today, and it's some smoked cream cheese. So I took a piece of aluminum foil, put a little bit of non-stick spray on it, block of cream cheese, dropped it on there, scored it with a little crosshatch pattern to make it look good, and then used some Holy Cow rub from Meat Church and put it on liberally. Kicked up the smoker to about 225 degrees, and this is just my little tiny Davy Crockett. This little guy right here you can see in the distance, about 2 hours, and hopefully we'll have some really good success with this. I've got a Chipotle raspberry sauce that I'm going to put on this also. So there it is, sprinkled up. Sitting right here, 221 degrees right now. And I think I'm using some Costco, some Kirkland pellets. This is that Holy Cow Meat Church rub that I used. Turned out really wonderful. This is what I used to sauce it. It's original roasted raspberry chipotle. And I think we just picked this up off of Amazon. But really tasted well. Gave it a little bit of a kick to it. Nice and sweet, and just slathered this over the top. This is a really easy appetizer to make. Really enjoyed it. Everybody gave it some great comments, and recommend you give it a try. If you like the videos that you're seeing, please consider subscribing.